With recent windstorms hitting Kentucky hard, experts say you should keep an eye on trees in your yard. Peyton Hinkle has more on how to prevent tree damage during severe weather events.
Well, spring is in full bloom across Kentucky, and with several windstorms over the past few months, horticulture experts say now is the time to make sure the trees on your property are happy and healthy. One horticulturist I spoke with says there are signs you can look for to determine if a tree is in bad health. First, unhealthy trees often don't leaf out as quickly. Another indicator is if fungus is growing around the base or if bark is falling off of the tree. There are also preventative things you can do to help keep them healthy.
To do some regular pruning, to take out, because every tree is going to have dead or dying branches, a few here and there. So keep it cleaned up, because during these windstorms, it's inevitable that you're going to have all these, weak, branches that have died fall out of the tree and damage something.
And Walsh said he also recommends talking with a local arborist if you have questions about the health of the trees around your home. In studio, I'm Peyton Hinkle, Fox 56 News.